Hey, Miss Vagina, if I could win an award for the latest YouTuber to upload a video ever, that would be me. I would definitely win that award because here in my hands today, I have a box from April that we're gonna unbox together. So, basically, I always say this with this box. If you have any small children that you enjoy watching my videos with, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. But if you don't want them to hear any suggestive language and or themes, I would recommend clicking off and watching any other video on my channel that doesn't have the title of the subscription box in it. Everything that I post is usually very family friendly. But with that warning aside, let's get into it. Let's have adult words be thrown around, you know, like frick. Those are the bad words. Okay, so here in my hands, I have my April. Yeah, I said April Smartass and Sass box to unbox with you guys. This box is heavy. I kind of just like body slammed it on my leg and I was like, ooh, ouchies. So this says, Smartass and Sass, domestic as hell. Ooh, it says hell. Okay, we got some pink snakes. It smells minty fresh, which is like different. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read off. Ooh, I'm gonna read off what's in this box. So this says squeaky clean or damn dirty. For like wash, I don't know if people would use this for washing machines, like laundry, or for dishwashers, but that's super duper fun. That's actually really useful too. Okay, the next thing that I have in here is this giant white box. It says, I run on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. Is it a mug? Yeah, it's a little plastic mug. This is what it looks like, if you guys can see. I'm sorry that my camera is having such a hard time focusing. I really hope that that helps. So that's what the entirety of the mug looks like. That's super fun. And I'm glad that it's not ceramic because some of us aren't very careful with ceramic dishes and they break them very easy. Not gonna name any names though. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this blue pouch. Ooh, I hear rock salt. I'm done adulting today. Peppermint eucalyptus soaking salt. Yeah, this is the peppermint smell. So we've got some bath soap in here. Super fun for a soap. I also have this super cute bag. It says Snacksidents Happen. And it's got little sprinkles on it. This is my favorite item in this box. Nothing will top this. I'm sorry, guys. So this is super duper cute. I love it. Okay, let's see what this black box is. It says drinks are on me. Wood and marble coasters. Ooh, that's fancy. Honestly, I love the things that I get in here. I feel like half of these things that I get in here are like perfect for me. And then I feel like the other half are like perfect for gifts. Like this is something that I would totally stash away for Christmas. It says drinks are on me. There's 2 coasters. So we've got some marble, we've got some wood, and they've got little booties on the back. I know that some people probably call them footies. I said booties. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. I'm still gonna call it booties. I'm a danger to society. So the next thing that I have are these subversive sponges. Sorry, it was in cursive. I was taught how to read cursive, and I always run into the challenge of reading cursive in this box. So this is a sponge caddy set. So it says, dishes be damned, not gonna wash themselves, clean up your act, and frick this, you know, I'll just show you. I don't want to get demonetized. So that's what it says. Fun words. Okay, that's actually super cute. And then the last thing that I have in here, oop, now we got 2 more things, are tasks I must complete before I watch Netflix. I love the notebooks that I get in here. They're so useful in my everyday life. I love them. And then we also have this pen that says adultish. Super duper cute. Okay, let's learn about the pricing of everything. The Snacksidents Happen reusable bag has a retail value of $8. The Drinks Are Me coaster set have a retail value of $12. The Adultish Big Pen has a retail value of $1.50. The Magnet has a retail value of $5. The Subversive Sponges caddy set with frame from Fred has a retail value of $13. The mug has a retail value of $15. This notebook has a retail value of $13. And the I'm done adulting today bath salts has a retail value of $8. So I feel like that was a really quick unboxing. That goes a lot faster than I remember these boxes normally going. But that was everything that I received in this month, which was many months ago. Smartass and Sass box. What was your favorite item in this month's box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.